8 years ago, I began my journey as an entrepreneur. There's a lot of lessons I've had to learn the hard way, but through my mistakes, books I've read, and some great advice on YouTube, I've put together 9 habits that you need to avoid in order to succeed financially. Habit number 1, not having a safety net. Life is unpredictable and unexpected events can damage your finances. Without an emergency fund, you may find yourself relying on credit cards or loans to cover sudden expenses. Aim to save 3 to 6 months worth of living expenses in a separate, easily accessible account. This fund will provide a financial cushion during challenging times and prevent you from falling into a cycle of debt. Habit number 2, living beyond your means. This bad habit is a recipe for disaster, yet many people still do this. It's essential to live within your means by aligning your expenses with your income. Try to create a realistic budget that includes necessary expenses, savings, and debt repayments. This is where you need to prioritize your needs over your wants and make conscious spending decisions. By doing so, you'll gain greater control over your finances and finally stop living paycheck to paycheck. Habit number 3, not knowing your statistics. Not knowing your exact financial situation can definitely hinder your progress. A lot of people are shocked to find out how much debt they're actually in, or how much they're spending on small things like McDonald's that add up over time. Try to track your income, expenses, and debts regularly. Monitor your debt to income ratio to ensure it remains at a healthy level. Knowing these statistics provides a clear picture of your financial health and helps you make informed decisions to improve it. Habit number 4, paying too much tax. Tax is a huge expense, but many people don't realize that there are legal ways to reduce the amount you give. Try to educate yourself about tax deductions and credits applicable to your situation, or consider consulting with a professional who can guide you in optimizing your tax situation. By minimizing your tax burden, you'll have more money to allocate towards your financial goals. Habit number 5, relying on credit cards. Credit cards do have their place, but relying on them for everyday expenses can lead to excessive debt. When you consistently carry a balance and pay only the minimum due, you'll have high interest charges that stop you getting where you want to be. To use credit cards responsibly, aim to pay off the full balance each month. If you're struggling with credit card debt, focus on developing a debt repayment plan and create a strategy to eliminate it as quick as you can. Habit number 6, waiting to pay off credit cards. This is closely linked to the previous point. Paying only the minimum balance on credit cards prolongs the debt repayment process and costs you more in interest over time. Try to prioritize paying off your credit card debt as soon as possible. Allocate additional funds towards your highest interest balances while continuing to make at least the minimum payment on other cards. Consider consolidating your debts or transferring balances to a card with a lower interest rate. Habit number 7, impulse buying. This is where discipline is needed in order to benefit in the long run. Before making a purchase, give yourself time to evaluate whether it aligns with your needs and financial priorities. You could try implementing a cooling off period, such as waiting 24 hours before making a non-essential purchase. During this time, consider the long-term impact of the purchase and whether it aligns with your financial goals. Developing discipline in your spending habits will enable you to make conscious and intentional choices with your money. Habit number 8, not educating yourself. Financial literacy is a vital skill that empowers you to make informed financial decisions. A lack of knowledge about personal finance can lead to poor money management and missed opportunities for growth. Take the initiative to educate yourself about budgeting, investing, debt management, and other key financial concepts. There are plenty of books that cover these topics, and the more knowledge you acquire, the better equipped you'll be to navigate the complexities of personal finance and make smart choices for your financial well-being. Habit number 9, failing to invest. Don't wait years to invest. Try to start as early as you can, even if it's with small amounts, and regularly contribute to your investment portfolio. While saving money is essential, investing allows your money to work for you and generate returns over time. Make sure you do your research and then take the jump. By harnessing the power of compounding returns, you'll build wealth and increase your chances of achieving long-term financial success. And there you have it, 9 bad money habits that you should be aware of and address to improve your financial situation. If you found this video helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more money saving tips and financial advice. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.